everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and I am here to talk about my summer capsule, how things are going, I did an outfit of the day for a week through my capsule and kind of my thoughts on what's working with my summer capsule, what's not, all of that kind of stuff to do. Yeah, I tend to do these type of videos kind of in the middle-ish of when the season is falling, and we're to that point with the summer capsule. Actually, we're closer to the end, probably a little past that, but I don't know, July got away from me. So I thought better late now than never. Here we are at the beginning of August. But that being said, I do plan on, not this week, but next week having my July makes video as well as my August plans. And then in September, I'll do my August makes, and then we'll go back kind of to the way things were. I just thought it'd be fun to go old school this summer and doing like makes and plans videos. So we'll go through August, and then September we'll kind of switch gears a little bit more and get into some different types of videos. But that's kind of the plan. So yeah, my August makes are going to be coming at you like in the second week of August, but you know, that's life. That's life. Anyway, I just wanted to talk a little bit before I will go through and show you all of my outfits that I wore for my outfit of the day. And, you know, I'll talk you through the different things. Everything's linked down below if you're interested in seeing, looking at the patterns and that sort of thing. But I have overall been very, very pleased with my summer capsule. Some of the highlights, I love the color palette that I chose. I think that, I don't know, I think I have a good blend of neutrals and a lot of light neutrals. I had a couple of like navy, dark blue pieces that were in my capsule in the summer. But most of my neutral pieces are kind of like I have the natural pair of shorts, kind of the natural linen color, so like a pale tan in my wardrobe. And then it's just a lot of the ivory, kind of cream color that is my lightest neutral, but then just a lot of color. And I've been wearing that a ton. It's been a weird summer. Like I feel like at the beginning in June that I wore some of my pants like a lot more often. Like I was wearing my white jeans or my ecru color jeans and my orange Bennett woven pants, and I was wearing the striped Bennett woven pants quite a bit as well because it was a little bit chilly. Obviously, I took the orange pants to Italy and wore those there. You guys saw all of that. But then it didn't quite get hot here like it did in a lot of places because we were under that cloud and we continue to be like on and off of smog kind of from the Canadian forest fires, and that kept our temperatures down even when everyone else was having like ridiculous temperatures. Now, as I am filming this, we are in very hot, well, hot for us. It's all, you know, relative, right? But we are in very much. So I haven't even touched my pants or even thought about touching my pants in a couple of weeks now. But I felt like my summer capsule had a good blend of things for when the summer was a little bit cooler versus when it started to heat up again. So I've been able to wear the stuff in my capsule really well. The big hitters have definitely been the 3 pairs of shorts that I made. And honestly, so it's my 2 pairs of Belize shorts, sorry. 2 pairs of Belize shorts. It is the fun pink pair and then also the natural colored pair. I've been wearing those a ton. Last year I felt like I wore my jean shorts a lot more than I've worn them this year. And it could be that my autoimmune has been flaring up and it has been like, it's the allergies that are just like environmental allergies that cause that to flare up. And so elastic back has definitely been my friend this summer. And I've also been wearing the Brampton shorts, the Itch to Stitch Brampton shorts, the green ones. I'm not wearing those as much, mostly because I think they're fun and different with that paper bag kind of waist. And I'm pleasantly surprised on how I like that on my body, but it does limit the tops that I feel like I can wear with it. So they're kind of a fun short to kind of throw on every now and again, but I'm so pleased that I made all 3 of those shorts. And oddly enough, my ivory pair of Belize shorts that were already in my wardrobe, I haven't been wearing those as much for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like I just like maybe it's the plain front of because the natural colored pair that I made have a plain front, and maybe that's just a silhouette I'm liking a little bit better on myself. I don't know. Because my pink ones are the pleated front, but the pink ones are a linen rayon blend, and so it hangs a little bit flatter than the ivory ones that are just 100% linen. They're a little bit crisper. Anyway, it's interesting to think about the silhouettes that I do enjoy in my body, but I feel like if I'm going for a neutral pair of shorts, if that's what I'm wearing for the day, I am grabbing the natural colored ones, my new ones, as opposed to the ivory colored ones. But I definitely have been grabbing my 3 newest pairs of shorts before I'm grabbing my jean shorts. I just haven't been wearing those as much. I have been, but just not quite as much. Another piece that is, well, my dresses have been wonderful. I've been wearing those a ton because dresses are just so easy in the summer. But the Archer woven shirt that I made up, I've really enjoyed having that in my wardrobe. And honestly, I've worn that more as like a layering piece, as like a jacket than anything else, just to have like a piece to, keep my arms warm or whatever. So I'm very pleased that I made that cotton gauze shirt. And I've been having some fun with the Max tunic as well and wearing it in a few different ways. I haven't worn it as a duster yet. I've tried it on outfits a couple of times and as a duster. I haven't tried it with my maxi dress yet. That might work. I just haven't been crazy about the way hemlines have hit with shorts and stuff and that being a little bit longer. But I have been wearing it as both a dress and a shirt. So I have been getting some double duty out of that. And I do love that fabric. So that's been really good as well. But all in all, I feel like the colors are making me happy. I mean, summer's easier just because the colors tend to be brighter. Definitely in my winter wardrobe this past year, I definitely needed more color. So going forward into my fall capsule that I'm kind of planning now, and then I'm sure what will tumble into my winter capsule wardrobe, I'm going to be going for some serious color because I really need that. I need the dopamine dressing. That really helps my mood. So that is kind of the thought process and plan going forward. So I might be buying a couple of sweaters. There is I think it's J. Crew, the Teddy sweater. I have a couple of them. That I really love. It's just a kind of a crew neck, but it's not like a super high crew neck, so it works fine on my body. But I love the way that looks. And I might buy a couple. I have like a poppy red colored one and a navy blue one. And then I've got they have them in like a cotton blend and then also like a merino blend. And then I have a camel one in the merino type. That one has gotten a little bit felted from washing. It may have gotten washed on a warm cycle accidentally instead of cold, but so I may need to replace that one. But I might, add some sweaters ready to wear and some brighter pops of color that are in my palette just to help lift my mood. But all in all, very happy with everything in my summer wardrobe. And I'm sure quite a few of those pieces are going to be going into fall because our falls tend to be, as climate change, falls tend to be a little bit warmer than they have been in the past. So everything seems to be like shifting a little bit, your seasonal months seem to be shifting like 1 month over. Anyway, very pleased. And I've pretty much worn it. The only thing I haven't pulled out and worn a ton is the Sybil skirt in the animal print. And I'm not sure why. Maybe I haven't pushed myself enough. That isn't a double brush poly though, and it's been really hot here. And double brush poly is not your friend when it's really, really warm. So I may try transitioning that one into the fall and see if I get some more wear out of that as we go into the fall. I really would like to wear more skirts. I wear separates, so I don't know why. And I've been wearing my Taroko skirt, my white skirt, a ton. So I don't know why I haven't been grabbing that knit skirt, other than, it would be warm because of the fabric I used for it. But anyway, who knows? Okay, I think I've blabbed on and on enough a little bit about kind of my thoughts on how my summer capsule wardrobe is wearing. So without further ado, I will send you over so you can see all the outfits that I wore last week and how those worked for me. And yeah, that's all I've got for today. I will be back on Friday with a Sew the Look that you may be getting a sneak peek of at the moment. Okay, I'll see you on Friday. Bye. Hello, welcome back to another What I Wore in a Week series here. We are on to summer clothing. So this is my summer capsule wardrobe, and happy Monday. So today it's very hot here, so it'll be interesting to see what I've got on this week. But wearing my Love Notions Ballad blouse because it's nice, easy breezy rayon challis, and then a pair of my Belize shorts by Itch to Stitch. These have the elastic in the back, which make them very comfortable. I'm dealing a lot with inflammation right now because of all of the air quality and stuff in our area, causing my autoimmune to flare up. So these have been perfect. And then my Vivaia green shoes just for a little bit of added pop of color. So I hope you're having a good Monday. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, happy day 2, Tuesday of my what I wore in a week. Today I've got on my Concord, Cashmerette Concord T-shirt and the stripe, if you can see the stripe, with my boat neck hack, paired with my white denim Itch to Stitch Taroko. Had my hair done today, so it's been a good day so far. And then just kept my Birkenstocks on, just for an easy shoe to slip on and something comfortable to wear. So here we go. This is day 2 of my summer capsule, what I wore in a week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, welcome to day 3 of what I wore in a week for my summer capsule. Today I have on actually a dress. This is my Max Tunic by Style Arc, and I have just, I'll show you what I've done. It's a long tunic style dress. I've just buttoned it partially, folded up the back a little bit, tied it in the front, and then tucked those ties under, and then paired it with a pair of my ready-to-wear jean shorts, and then Birkenstocks on the bottom, and there we go. Now I've made this top, or this dress, more functional as a top, and I can also, because it's a button-up, wear it as a jacket or a duster. And then I think that that's a lot of fun and a lot of different ways that we can wear certain pieces in our wardrobe. All right, I hope you're having a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, happy Friday, everyone. This is day 4 of my outfit of the day. Missed yesterday. I was in water up to my neck all day yesterday, so I really never got dressed. It's hot, folks. All right, so today I'm doing a little bit of layering, filming today, and then also I'm going to meet a friend for lunch. So I've got my Style Arc Archie woven that I'm going to wear as a topper. Gone very monochromatic today and very neutral. I've got my Itch to Stitch. Oh, good gracious. I will have it linked. This is their free pattern, their tank pattern underneath. And then my Itch to Stitch Belize shorts in linen. And then for a pop of color, I've got my Vivaia green shoes on again. And I've got some color in my accessories because I love to wear color. So there's today's video. Okay, today is day 5. Today is a very loungy sewing day for me. I'm going to be working on a swimsuit today. So I have put on very comfortable clothes. I'm wearing a ready-to-wear T-shirt from Old Navy from 2 years ago now, I think, 1 year ago. But my very lovely Itch to Stitch Brampton shorts. I think that these are so comfortable. This linen rayon is just wonderful. And then barefoot because I'm probably not leaving my basement today. So there we have it. This is day 5 of my summer capsule, so it can work for nicer occasions as well as being just, slouchy, slouchy days. See you tomorrow. Welcome back to another What I Wore in a Week, day 6 video. Today is Sunday. I'm wearing my maxi Tidal, the sleeveless version. It's freezing in church, so I'm gonna have my Metra blazer on for today, and then it's hot the rest of the day, so I will forego this for the rest of the day, but I will keep this dress on all day long. Just have some little wedges that I got years ago to give me a little bit of height, and just something kind of fun. Some heirloom jewelry, and we're set and ready to go. So yes, day 6's outfit, nice and easy. I love this dress. It's so easy to mix and match with others. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Hello, happy Monday. Okay, today is day 7 of my outfit of the week for my summer capsule. This is the final day. And I decided to try and wear my Sybil skirt. This is my Sybil skirt from Love Notions. I just haven't really worn it a ton, so I just wanted to try styling it up a little bit. I've just got it paired with a regular Cashmerette, my cream colored t-shirt, and then a pair of orange, these are Dolce Vita sandals I've had for a couple years now, because it's hot. Just to try and see if I can, just wear skirts a little bit more and enjoy that a little bit. So here you have it. This is today's outfit. Thanks for joining me this week. I will see you next time. Bye.